Can we first please admire how clean this car looks? Wow. Washed it yesterday and it looks amazing. Look at the wheels and everything. Look how sparkly it looks. It was waxed, but I'm gonna do another coat of wax. This is how shiny it looks. And the roof is already getting dirty. I washed it yesterday, so yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta detail the inside today. But yesterday I took all the clothes, trash, everything out. Got my Gatorade right here. And let's turn this car on. First, I gotta do errands for my mom real quick. I gotta go buy dog food and you know stuff. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna go and buy real quick. And then after that, we're gonna go hit a pull day. This is week 2 pull day. So let's get this week 2 pull day on the go. And guys, it's gonna be hard. Hey, let go. The inside completely is gonna be detailed, guys. It's gonna look spotless. Y'all see. But you made it to the gym, guys. Of course, the gym is packed, like super packed. We're here. Just finished almost finished my pre-workout, and then I have my Gatorade. And then I got my Gatorade here with BCAAs. Definitely gonna need BCAAs today on today's program. But yeah, let me check this down. Let you guys know when Azar gets here. Yes, I got all my stuff over there, and then here's the trunk. I'm gonna leave my stuff here, also my belt and stuff, and the sub's over here doing his work. What the heck is down here? I don't know why it doesn't go all the way down. What up, guys? Boomix here, guys. I'm sure this is the video y'all been waiting for. We're going to be installing the lip on the ralliart. But first, we got to bring the car down. Not all the way down, just a little bit down, so I can get a little bit more room to work. About right here. All right, guys. This is my sister's WRX right there. So you can see it. Right, WRX. She says she wants to start channel 2. She's gonna start modifying soon, but she can't really do much like performance and stuff because of her the thing she has. But here we go. The lip. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get the chair. We're gonna sit you guys on the chair and then start working on it, and then yeah. All right, guys. We had to come all the way down here and get the ramps. Now I'm trying to pull it up on the ramp. Alright, my brother's gonna come help me out and let me know if I'm going up the ramp correctly or if I need to do some things. But let me set the camera right here. Yes, please. Huh? Okay.
Yo, let's play some b-ball today.
What?
Let's play some b-ball today.
Oh shoot. Once I put the new lip, it's gonna be so hard to come down. I'll be careful, I guess.
I won't be there. Where's my resting in there?
I mean, last time I did this, it scraped. Remember I installed the lip? So it's gonna scrape regardless. Yeah, but we just went down slowly. Yeah, okay, good. Alright. Let me know when if I go up there and then if I rank moves up or something. You want to chase the recording? You can see it right up down.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Alright, it's good.
Right. It's such a small ram, but it's like you never know.
Pretty effective.
Thank you, big boy.
Yeah, no worries.
Alright, guys, we got it up. Now we're gonna bring out the screws and then just literally just screw it on. That easy. And I also got some 3M tape. You can just apply some, and then so it's pretty hard. I'm gonna basically do this in the middle. Provide you guys with self-tapping screws, which you are gonna use. I'm also gonna use tape. You can use whatever you want. Everything will work. I can just get the little baggie open. That's the only thing I'm scared of if I were to drop this car or slam, is the cutout does sit really low to the ground. So I am gonna lower it, but not too lower it, but this until it, it looks lower enough. That will look good. Alright, now we got all the screws out, but before we do anything, I do want to get it screwed on. So let me grab one and start making the holes, and then I'll put the tape. I want one right in the center of it. Oh look, they even have like holes already like in the place. Yo, that's cool. Alright, let me do one right here. Okay. Alright, this will take a while, so I am gonna show you guys when I'm done, because there's already holes on it that you can do. Already like pre-done for you, so you can just literally just do it. Alright guys, after a break, we finally have the holes done. You can tell them right there. So just the self-tapping screws, we're just gonna self-tap into like this little plastic. And the hardest part is gonna be going down, actually, because I saw when I was going up that this was like a couple of inches away, and plus this is gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna have to go super slow. But we have tape right here. We're gonna tape right here, just in the front and a little bit on the sides, and yeah, it should be ready to screw in. Alright guys, big boy is gonna come out and he's gonna help me out hold the lip while I screw in the first screw. Pretty simple forward. I just needed him a little bit. I've already done the holes on it. I already put the double-sided tape. Next, I just need him to just hold the lip while I screw the first screw. I already have the first screw on. I just gotta just put it on. As you guys can tell, we got my sister's WRX right here. This is the bun. Guys, this is where we're at right now. Already got a couple screws in, as you can see. That one, and over there, the last one. Still screwing on the other ones. Big boy, thank you for your help.
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, we have the lip on, and we're gonna lower it down.
At this point, I'm considering it.
Bending? Oh, you good.
He went down.
Huh?
He had already gone down. That's straight.
How do you feel about it, man? You like it?
No comments. No comments.
Huh? No comment. No comment. Ooh, that joint looks really fast. That joint looks good. Look at that thing. Ooh.
You gotta stack it like how they are, man.
Guys, it looks so good. Just look at that thing. Dang. Dude, imagine if I carbon fiber wrapped it, bro. It would look way better. But once again, the fitment is not the best, because you can tell right here. I'm gonna have to buy like 3M tape and just like go like this and tape it shut. But for now, it looks okay. Still gotta go buy 3M tape. But look at that thing. Ooh. Guys, I couldn't be more happy how it looks. Just looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think about the lip. It just looks dope, like just how it is. And you see the middle grill right there? I'm gonna plastic dip it black, and then because it looks a little faded. And I'm gonna redo the bottom part because it's kind of rock chips and stuff. But the only downside is it's right here at the sides. As you guys can see, not the best, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have Brendan record me once we're getting over there. Huh? It should be unlocked. Can you not hit my things, please? Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the installation of the lip, because you know I did. I'm sorry if I sound off. I am still sick. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And can you please give the video, please, to 20 dislikes, please. Because that's what you guys did. Wow, the other video. Y'all are hilarious. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video for real though. See you guys tomorrow. And turn it out one more time. Close start. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's all, guys. Have a good one.